Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and tell you what, we have a good one for you today. We are here to free the cheesesteak. That's right. Cheesesteak don't have to be traditional. Nothing wrong with a good traditional cheesesteak. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying that. But why does it have to be just that? It can't be anything else. What if hamburgers or cheeseburgers or even pizza was that way? You know, cheeseburger. You can't have jalapenos and lettuce and tomato and onion and all that. It's not a cheeseburger anymore. Yes, it is. Well, a cheesesteak can be just that way too. We can add things to the cheesesteak, make a great meal out of it, and it still be a cheesesteak. So that's what we're going to do today. We're here to free the cheesesteak. Now, with that being said, there's actually a petition over on Blackstone's website to do just that, free the cheesesteak. If you don't want to go there, you can go to change.org and sign a petition also to do free the cheesesteak. So if you want to free the cheesesteak, go on over there, sign that petition. The links to both those things will be down there in the description of this video. So with that being said, we got to fire this thing up, and I got to show you what we're going to cook with to free the cheesesteak. Now, before we get to cooking, be sure you click on that hashtag free the cheesesteak after this video, and that will take you to all the other great creations that are being made to free the cheesesteak. I can't wait to see what's out there. You need to go check it out too. Okay, let's get this thing fired up so we can free a cheesesteak. Let's go all 4 burners, y'all, and then we're going to go down to low. Right there. Okay, y'all, this is what we're going to use to free the cheesesteak. Of course, I got some shaved ribeye right here, but I do have some bacon. We got some bell peppers and onions we've cut up. We have some mushrooms back here. We got some diced jalapenos. Now I'm going to use some steakhouse seasoning, and I'm going to use some of this buffalo blue seasoning. A couple sub rolls. We have some Swiss cheese right here, and back here we have jalapeno and habanero jack. And of course, we have some cheese whiz. Let's free these cheesesteaks, y'all. There's the white smoke we've been looking for. So you know what that means? It's time to get some groceries on the griddle. I'm going to start off throwing down this bacon, then we're going to throw the peppers and onions on there. Get our bacon down here, y'all. Oh, yeah. Good old thick cut bacon. It'll be so good. Let's throw down a little bit of oil, get our peppers and onions going. Mix that up good, get that oil coated all over everything. Oh yeah. Smelling good already. Just look at those peppers and onions. Now we got some bacon going too. Oh boy. Let's give our bacon a good flipping. There we go. And while we at it, let's stir them peppers and onions up. Oh yeah, starting to get a little char to them now. Starting to soften up just a little bit. Oh yeah. So let's start our bacon over to finish cooking. We're gonna throw some meat down on this griddle. Slide you up here. Let you cook. Like so. All right, let's throw this meat down, y'all. Put some of it right there, and we're gonna go some of it right there. And while we at it, let's throw the mushrooms on here. Get them going. Get them back here. Get our steak all cut up here and spread out. And we're going to throw some seasoning on it. Alright, let's hit the far left one with some steakhouse. Get some steakhouse seasoning in that one. We'll put the buffalo blue on the other one. Give them a good mix now. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy, there's gonna be some good cheesesteaks here. Let's go ahead and stir our peppers and onions and the mushrooms up now. Oh, they're about there. They're about there, y'all. Stir them up back here just a little bit. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Well, our bacon's about done. We got the meat going now. Y'all look at that char on them peppers and onions. The mushrooms are getting close to being done. Oh, this is coming together perfect. Oh yeah, looking good, y'all. Looking real good. That ribeye is so tender. Look at there. Almost done. About like we want it. While things almost done, let's go ahead and get the cheese whiz on and get it melting down. Plop it right there. Let's plop it back here in the middle. All right, y'all, let's stir the steak up one more time, see if it's time to build up some subs. Oh, yeah. Got a good char on that steak there. Yes, sir. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pile this up in a pile here. Kind of. Try to. There we go. Like that. Same here. All right, it is time to build these cheesesteaks. I think I'm going to start off with that bacon, mushroom, and Swiss. And then I'm going to build the spicy one. So for that bacon, mushroom, and Swiss, I think is what I'm going to do is take a couple strips of this bacon right through here like that. Don't worry, I'm going to use them other two strips. And we're going to throw down a bunch of Swiss cheese on top of that. Like so. Put one more on there for good measure. Why not? Why not? All right, what we need now. Top it off with a sub roll, y'all. Like so. Alright, let's make things spicy. Throw down this jalapeno and habanero jack. Oh boy, that's gonna be good there. Put that on there. Oh yeah. Now you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna dome this up, let that kind of melt down just a little bit, then we're gonna top everything up. I think I'm gonna slide this over just a little bit, like so. Now I'm just gonna dome this up and kind of let that cheese melt down, like so. While that's doing that, we're gonna stir up these peppers and onions. Looking good, looking good. Get these mushrooms back here. Looking even better. Stir up our cheese whiz. Let's slide these peppers and onions on over and make room to build these things. Slide them over that way. Let's check on the sandwiches. Yeah, let's do this. We'll get this cutting board out. We'll get our spicy one here. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, boy. Let's get the other one up. Wow. There we go. You know, they look good like they are, but we're not done with them. Let's finish these things up, y'all. Put some bacon up on this bacon, mushroom, and Swiss. Now we got bacon on here, but we don't have no mushrooms, y'all. Let's throw our mushrooms on here, like so. Got these little baby bellies on here. Oh yeah. Put some more peppers and onions on here, like so. Ooh boy. Now I'm gonna throw some more Swiss on this thing. I'm gonna rip it up like this and just kind of lay it over there. Like so. Oh boy. Yes sir. Like that right there. Now, let's build the spicy one. I'm gonna hit it with some more of this jalapeno and habanero jack cheese, like so. Yeah, buddy. Now, can't forget the cheese whiz back here. I'm gonna put the cheese whiz just on this one, okay? Like so, just a little bit. I don't want a whole lot on it. Okay, there we go. Man, what a sandwich. What a sandwich. Now, we ain't quite done with that spicy one yet. We still got these diced jalapenos to go. So I'm gonna take it and just kind of sprinkle them on there. Oh boy, that's it. Look at that. Now these look amazing, y'all. Now that is how you do cheesesteaks, y'all. I mean, look at this. Oh yeah. I cannot wait to try one of these out. I mean, look at the char on that steak. Jalapenos and cheese. All the peppers and the mushrooms and bacon and all's in there. Man, that's just too much going on in one thing. We got to try this, y'all. That is how you free the cheesesteak. Now, I tell you what, these look amazing. They may not be traditional, but hey, they ain't got to be traditional. That's the whole great thing about this free the cheesesteak. And I can't wait to see what the other creators are putting out for this same thing. There's going to be some amazing things, I promise you. So be sure you follow that hashtag, free the cheesesteak. There's going to be some amazing cooks coming out with this thing. I'm not saying mine's amazing, but I think it looks pretty dang good. Let's cut this thing in half and let's try them out. I think I'm going to try the spicy one out first, y'all. Wow. I need a towel, napkin, something. Dude, that is amazing. Y'all look at that. That is so good. I'll take that kind of cheesesteak any day. You hear me? It's not overly spicy, but it's got just a little kick to it. That buffalo blue seasoning's really good in this. That hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese, along with that cheese whiz on top, and peppers and onions. This is perfect. This is perfect. But hey, we got to try this bacon, mushroom, and Swiss. Y'all look at that. Now that right there looks good. Let's try this out, y'all. That right there is good too. That's an amazing cheesesteak also. The steak in there is just so good with that steakhouse seasoning, along with that Swiss cheese and that bacon. Then the peppers and onions on top of that with the mushrooms. That's an amazing cheesesteak also. If I had to choose between the two, I'd have a really hard time choosing between these two cheesesteaks. So call these what you want. I'm gonna call them cheesesteaks because they are delicious. Now, I would like to know how you would do your cheesesteak. What do you like on your cheesesteak? Let us know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to head over to blackstone.com or to change.org and sign a petition to, hey, free the cheesesteak, because cheesesteak does not have to be traditional. Promise you, you will love it. So with that being said, be sure to follow that hashtag, free the cheesesteak, to see what all the other great creations are out there. And we'll see you next time.